Hi, welcome to Carissa Fix It. Today I will be fixing my mother's 1990s era Whirlpool dryer. It's model le7000xk. Yeah, that's it. This guy here. Yeah, just a really old school dryer, really simple, like 2 controls. It's like a rheostat over here, like to do the temperature. It's super simple. Anyway, it's not turning on right now, and we have found out some information from a local appliance store that there are basically like 2 things that can be wrong with this. One is this interlock switch up here in the door. So if this guy doesn't click, or if you can get in there with a meter and determine that it's not making contact, that could be one problem. The other problem is back here. Obviously I have unplugged the dryer. The breaker is also off to the power. So make sure you're unplugged and everything before you get in here. Very important. The other thing I already did was I vacuumed out back here because you get lint buildup that can cause a fire, obviously. So the other problem that it could be is this guy right here. This is a thermal fuse. This one is actually, I've already replaced it. But how I determined that it was the problem was I took these spade terminals off and I put my multimeter across the terminals of the white thing, checked it for continuity. Basically you want to see like not many ohms there, you know? And if you don't get any reading, that means there's a broken connection and this guy's bad and you gotta go replace it. So we were able to get one at our local electrical supply store here in Providence. This place, Twin City. They were great, super nice. They have parts for these things. It was $20, so not bad to fix a dryer other than buy a new one. I also replaced the cord and gave it its own nice outlet here because it was hardwired in before, which was, I don't know, kind of janky in my opinion. Anyway, yeah, so let's go ahead and turn the power on and see if we have solved the problem. Okay, the breaker is back on, the dryer's plugged in. Let's see if we have done it. You could also test it out by connecting those 2 wires together that went onto the thermal fuse. Just jumper them together and see if you can turn the dryer on. Again, do that with it off, obviously, and unplugged completely away from the power. Then turn the power on and see if you can turn it on. Alright, so it works. Great. Problem solved. I hope this video helps you keep your aging appliances in good working order. Old things are better. Don't believe the hype. Carissa out.